Hey everyone, it's Nikki. Welcome and welcome back if you're returning. I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you using these ornaments that I got last year. I'm going to start off by removing the cute little wreaths that are on the front of each one, and I'm mixing a combination of burnt umber by Apple Barrel, maize by Waverly, as well as crimson by Waverly, and I'm going to go ahead and just put some salt wash in this, and off camera, I set it aside for about 10 minutes before I come back and use it. And I end up doing 3 coats on these little houses. And I try to get the inside the best I could, just because you could see some of the inside, but, I wasn't able to get it perfectly. I dug this piece of wood out of my stash, and I'm going to give it 2 full coats of this color Alabaster by Folk Art. You may hear my dog snoring in the background. Just putting that out there. I took some puff paint, put a little bit on this cardboard. I have my nail dotting tools out, this metallic marker I got from the Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I have another white paint marker there off to the side. And I'm just going to make all these look like gingerbread houses, and I'll let you just watch. I'm going to go back and forth, and yeah, just make them look real cute. As you can see, I try to make them all a little differently, and I want my houses to stand up a little bit off the board, so I ended up gluing down a Jenga block to each one of them and then just glued those down to the board. And I found these little Dollar Tree ornaments from last year, or figurines should I say, and I glue those down, and I use my awl, a little poker thing, I believe that's what it's called, is it awl, and I make some holes to stick my trees down into, and I glue those there. And yeah, I just go back and forth and, you know, arrange it how I want it to look. And once I get everything in place, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and some faux snow, and yeah, I'll let you watch and see what I'm doing. And I also do go in with some very fine glitter and some puff paint on the roofs to make it look like snow. If you're still here watching, I just want you to know how welcome you are here and how much I appreciate you staying around and watching. And I hope this video inspires you in some way. And I would love for you to be a part of my little YouTube family. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this and if you would make this. I'd love to know. And don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, back to the video. Being brave here, guys, I don't ever write things out. I always use like my Cricut or my carbon paper. So challenge yourself to try something that you're not comfortable with, because it's not easy, you know, trying something that you know that you're not good at, especially for me. So try something that you know that you need to work on. And that's it for this project. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that I gave you some inspiration. I think these little houses came out super adorable. It was a really fun, easy project, and it only cost me a few dollars, maybe $5 tops. But I hope that you enjoyed it and that you'll consider subscribing. Don't forget to comment down below. I love hearing from you. And till the next one, guys. Bye.